Hey, what's going on? This is Paul Farmer, and in this video, I'm going to be covering Home Business Academy, and I'm going to be going over two of the different product bundles that we have available right now, and just kind of going in detail what those are because I've been getting asked quite a bit, like, what's the difference, right? So I figured I'd do a video to go over what the difference is. So before I do that, if you don't already know, Home Business Academy is a marketing tools and training platform. Don't mistake this for every other marketing tools and training platform out there. This is much different, and it's different in a good way because of the value that's being provided here. We have 11 masterminds a week, live masterminds a week that take place. We have live over-the-shoulder marketing masterminds where they literally market in front of you, show you exactly what to do. You can participate. They can have them look at your stuff. These are seven-figure marketers showing you exactly what to do to grow any business you choose. And it's just super powerful, and for the price point, absolutely incredible. Plus, there's all kinds of recorded training that teaches you how to convert traffic into conversions of a funnel builder. I'm going to go into detail about all this so you have a clear understanding of what this is about, if it's right for you, and how you can get started. Okay, so here we go. First off, I want to start with the two different product bundles. You can purchase in HBA, you can purchase each product separately, but they do offer bundles. I'm calling them bundles. There's actually two different sales funnels here. We actually have more than two, but I'm just covering these two. The two I'm covering is called the Freedom Shortcut, and the other one, the newest one, is the all-in-one digital business for just $25. So I would say the biggest difference between these two product bundles, these two sales funnels, one, it starts at $25. The other, the Freedom Shortcut, starts at $67. Okay. The other difference is if you decide there is a bonus that they give you here. If you decide to do the bonus, you're going to get a free bonus for 2 weeks. And then if you choose to keep the bonus, if you choose to stay on, it will be $125. And I'll explain that in a minute, where that'll be in 2 weeks' time, where this one combines both products, the flagship products, plus a bunch of bonuses, and it's $67. And then in 30 days, you will pay $150 because that's the two products combined, and that could pay you $120 residual commissions, okay? Residual commissions each and every month. So that's the main difference. The other big difference, I would say, is if you are someone that's really serious about creating income fast, like me, myself, and many other people I'm talking to and working with, if you decide you want to purchase all the products, then out the door, the day of, it's going to be $525 with this one, the all-in, whereas this one would be $567. So it's a little bit more. So this one is $525, this one's $567. This one here, $567, renews at $150 in 30 days. So 30 days later, you would pay the $150. So you start with $67, and then 30 days later, you would pay the $150. Okay, this one here starts at $25. If you decide to do the bonus, they give you 2 weeks for free. So you're literally starting at $25. And then if you decide you want to do all the products, the total cost is going to be $525 plus the $125 per month. So essentially it's the same thing. It's just divided up differently. And that was the biggest thing for me. Like when I got started with this, I was doing Freedom Shortcut. We didn't have this one. They design different funnels from time to time to help with conversions, which I think is awesome. They're always testing, always tweaking, always changing things up to make it better. And so I was doing this one. I was having good success with this one. I was making good sales. I liked it because, you know, people were getting all the products for just the 67. I could tell them, hey, if you want to go all in, it's only 567. It was very simple. for people to understand how that worked. This one's a little bit more complicated because now we got the 25, plus we got the free bonus. Let me show you. So we have the free bonus, and the free bonus is essentially HBA Premium. That's where we have the 11 masterminds a week, live masterminds a week. That's where you have the over-the-shoulder marketing training. That's where you have the recorded training on traffic and conversions. That's where all this is, okay? So they give this to you for 2 weeks free. You start at 25. You click the little box here. It's still 25. You get 2 weeks free of HBA Premium, which gives you all that live marketing training, live mindset training on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. You get access to this completely free for 2 weeks. You decide you don't want it, you don't have to pay that. You just decide you don't want to. But most likely, most people, they want it, okay? Because there's a lot of value to it. Now, I want to speak to you as someone that has decided to get started with Home Business Academy, and you are now an affiliate, and you are now earning 80% commissions. You can now earn 80% commissions as an affiliate. You wanted to make money fast, so what you did was you went all in with this one, which is the all-in-one digital business funnel. And I just want to say this point too. All these funnels, I didn't create these. These were already created. I just go promote them. I don't have to do anything. It's already done. It's the same for you. It's already done. You don't have to set anything up. Literally, you can grab your link. They show you how to do it. And you can go start putting this in front of people and literally making money. Like, people like to complicate these things so much. Like, oh, I got to set up my funnel. I got to write my emails. I got to get a professional email. And yes, you can do all that, but you could also start making sales the first day, by sharing these already done pages and allowing these pages to do the work for you. That's exactly what I do. That's exactly what I did. The difference between me and many people, though, is many people who I don't know if they want to make money slower or what, but see, I go all in. I learned to go all in a long time ago. That's just something I was taught to do. Anytime you can make more faster, you want to do it, if you can do it. And with this program, I mean, it's very reasonable for the amount of money. Let me just go over what we're talking here, okay? So here we go. All-in-one business starts at $25. You get 2 free weeks. So we're still at $25 out the door. Nothing else, just $25. If you want to see all the cost, I did do a video about all the costs. Actually, I don't know if I did do that video. I think I wrote an email about it. My bad. But the extra cost, if you choose to do the extra stuff, is still very nominal. We're talking like a domain name. We're talking an autoresponder. We're talking a professional email. So it doesn't have to cost a lot to get started. But I'm saying, this is what I teach. I teach people to grab the page and go share it with other people. So your cost out the door is $25. That's it. You're not paying anything else. All right? You go make some sales. You make $20 commissions, and you'll be getting closer to reaching this, so you don't have to pay for it, right? But that's just an idea. What I really recommend, though, is purchasing all the products from day one, then going out and doing what I teach, doing what they teach in Home Business Academy, and making those sales. So now you're getting into profit much faster. Now you're making money that actually matters. It's going to make a difference for you than just $20 commissions. That's what I recommend. That's what I do, right? I don't tell you to do anything I don't do. So we have all-in-one business starts at $25. Let's say you do the 2 weeks free, $125. 2 weeks free, you are going to learn how to market any business. Doesn't matter what you're doing, you can market it. Okay, they're going to teach you what to do. You decide to stay on, you can now earn $100 commissions and the $25 commissions. You do what I'm suggesting, what I recommend. You purchase this financial literacy for $500 one time within the 72 hours. Now you can make $400 one-time commissions too. Or if they wait and they purchase it later for, say, $1,000, that's what the cost really is. They give you a 50% discount for doing it early. Then you can make $800 commissions off that. So $400 or $800, just depends. So your all-in cost is $525, where you can make $20 commissions, residual commissions, $100 commissions, and then of course $400 one-time commissions. So that could really start adding up for you. And again, I'm not going to keep going into why it's a good idea to go all in, but it is. It's always a good idea if you can position yourself to make the most money if you want to earn freedom income faster, right? So that's that. That's all in one. Freedom Shortcut, we got $67 out the door. So you get a full month, $67 out the door, a full month of, you get the masterminds, you get the recorded training, you get the traffic training, you get the email swipes, you get everything, right? For just $67 for an entire month. After that month, it's going to renew at $150, okay? You can make $120 commissions from that $150. So if you're selling this bundle, this promo, whatever you want to call it, you're going to make $53 right off the bat, okay? And then 30 days later, you're going to make $120 commissions, okay? Or if you're on the other end of it, you're paying $150, right? 2 sales, you're in profit. That's all it takes, is 2. And then you do what I recommend. You purchase Financial Literacy Academy when you get started. Your starting cost is going to be $567. Again, you have an entire month, an entire 30 days before this renews at $150. It's so interesting to me. I talk to so many different people. When I look at something, okay, I'm looking at this, and when I looked at this, when I came through, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, I did not have the money. I did not have the money. I made some bad decisions and put myself in a very bad position, but I have faith. But I know what's possible when you put your mind to it, right? I know what's possible. So when I was looking at, I'm just looking at this offer here. When I was looking at this, I'm like, okay, I got $67. Okay, so if I get this Freedom Literacy Academy, it's $500, right? So $567 out the door. Let's say I put that on my credit card. What's that, like maybe $50 a month, maybe, is what I'm paying? I don't even know. I don't even think it's that much, right? No, it's not that much. Probably $10, right? $10 a month on my credit card for the minimum. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but it's something like that. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm like, okay, so $567, I'm going to make $400 commissions over and over. I would be insane not to take that offer. $500, and I can make $400 over and over. Like to me, like me personally, I was like, that would be stupid of me if I waited to pay $1,000. Of course, if there was just no way to do it, I would have to wait. But I found a way to do it. It wasn't comfortable, but I did it anyway. And because I did it, I ended up, being in profit my very first month. So it's really just a matter of what you choose to do, what you decide to do, how you want to start. Either one is great. The one I'm promoting right now is the all-in-one business. The reason is because of the starting cost. The reason is, as an affiliate, what I like about it is in 2 weeks, that $100 hits my account. Okay? Because people are typically going to get value from the bonus because they're getting live daily mentoring. If they're plugging in, they're going to get way more value than they've ever expected to get, because I'm not even sharing with you everything that you get. There's so much more you get. It's insane. But this is what I recommend. Okay, so 25. Let's say you go all in, it's $525 out the door, and you can now make $400 commissions, $100 commissions, and $20 commissions. 2 weeks, you pay you $125 a month. That's it. Okay, very simple business, very profitable business. You make 80% commissions. They teach you how to market. They teach you everything you need to know. They teach you about mindset. And it's just, in my opinion, the best thing out there that I've seen. Yes, there are other programs that pay more. There are other programs that pay more, and I could be doing those, but I'm not doing those. And the reason I'm not doing those is because I want to be involved in something where I am 100% aligned with the vision, right, of the company, of what the company stands for, what they're about, of what the founders are about. I want to be aligned with something that I know 100%, with 100% certainty, that whomever I refer to this program, they have every single opportunity to be successful in business and in life. I want to know that whoever I put into this business, they don't have to go and worry about the comp plan changing. They don't have to go worry about the business going under. They don't have to worry about leaders going and taking their people, or, you know, those aren't any leaders. So I'm not going to call it so-called leaders, or leaders coming into a company and then going and joining another company and bashing the company they were in before. They don't have to worry about any of that nonsense. All you have to do here is learn how to market. And they teach you on a daily basis. They teach you the skill that will set you free. That's what they do here. And if you can do that, if you can get out of your head like, oh, it needs to be easy and all this stuff, this is a very, they pay you a fair wage. They pay you something that can create freedom. The whole design here is to create freedom in your life, in your family's life. And freedom means different things for different people. But let's just look at, I'm going to do one more thing, and I just want you to look at the different numbers, okay? So if you were to just do the 25, okay? If you're just to do the 25, make $20 commissions, you want to get to $2,000 a month, that's 100 sales, okay? Not bad, not bad. Definitely doable. I know a lot of people probably don't believe they can do that, but it's definitely doable, especially at a $25 product. HBA Premium. You make 20 sales. Now you're at $2,000 a month, residual income. If you purchase all the products, and this is just going off of this, 13 sales, 2,000, right? 20 sales equals 3,000. So there you go. That's all I really wanted to cover. Only other thing I want to tell you is the link to learn more about this is right below this video. Just click on it, and then what you want to do is come right down here to the very bottom. Like once you decide you want to get started, obviously get more information, read over this page, see all the value that's provided. And you want to come down. This is very important. Okay, this is why I go over it. It's very important. You want to make sure you get this bonus, even if you don't think that, oh, you know, I'm concerned about the $125 a month. Even if you're concerned about that, check that box and plug into the training each day that they do. They record it too. If you can't make it live, it's recorded. And I promise you, you do that, you're going to know what it takes to make sales. And most likely, you're going to want to stick around. Because one, you're going to want to make more money. But two, you're going to love the positive energy, and you're going to love how they show you. They actually show you. They don't just tell you. They show you what they're doing, how they're doing it, why they're doing it, everything. So you will know exactly what to do to grow any business. And that's it, okay? Thank you, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.